Hello guys, happy Thursday. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use XSwap Wallet, yeah? So guys, if you are a big fan of XDC, yeah, this video is for you. XSwap Wallet is the best crypto wallet to store, earn, and grow your XRC-20 tokens, yeah? So guys, you can download this wallet on Play Store, yeah? If you have CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, yeah, search for XDC. Yeah, when you search for XDC, scroll down a little bit, you will see website. Click on website, it will take you to the XDC website. Yeah, when you're on the XDC website, yeah, search for ecosystem. Yeah, you will see wallets for XDC. Yeah, you can download XSwap Wallet from the XDC website. Yeah, so guys, on the XSwap platform, yeah, you will see receive, meaning you can receive XDC. Yeah, you can receive XDC. You will see send. Yeah, it means you can send XDC. Yeah, and you can store your XDC in this wallet. Yeah, so guys, you click on this, you will see manage wallet, you will see connect wallet, you will see browser. Click on browser. When you click on browser, you will see XSwap Dex, you will see launchpad, you will see farm v2, you will see XSwap Dex v2, you will see XSP staking. Yeah, you will see XSwap governance. So guys, if you click on staking v2, yeah, if you have XSP tokens, yeah, you can stake it in staking v2. Yeah, I'm staking some of my XSP tokens. Yeah, if you click on XSwap Dex v2, yeah, you can buy projects on XDC. So guys, make sure you have XDC. Yeah, you swap XDC to buy projects that are listed on this platform. Yeah, so guys, these are some of the projects on XDC. Yeah, so you can buy them if you have XDC. This is just an example. Yeah, if you have 100 XDC, you can buy over 2,000 of this. Yeah, so guys, you can check this out. You click on launchpad. Yeah, when you click on launchpad, you connect your wallet. Yeah, I think for you to join the launchpad, you will need like over 100 or above 100 XDC. So guys, you can join the launchpad if you want to. Yeah, if you click on XSwap Dex, you connect your wallet. Yeah, you can also buy a project on XDC. Yeah, if you click on XSwap governance, yeah, you can check it out to have an idea. So XSwap protocol, you can check all this out. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.